First exercise, Dumbbell Russian Twist. For an effective Dumbbell Russian Twist, sit on the floor with knees bent, feet slightly off the ground, holding a dumbbell with both hands at chest level. Lean back slightly, engage your core, and rotate your torso side to side, moving the dumbbell beside your hips. Keep your back straight and avoid using momentum for maximum oblique and core activation and safety. Second exercise, Dumbbell Side Bend. For an effective Dumbbell Side Bend, stand with feet shoulder-width apart, holding a dumbbell in one hand with the other hand on your hip. Bend sideways at the waist toward the dumbbell side, keeping your core engaged and torso straight. Then return to the starting position. Avoid leaning forward or backward and switch sides for balanced oblique activation and safety. Third exercise, Dumbbell Plank Pass-Through. For an effective dumbbell plank pass-through, start in a high plank position with a dumbbell just outside one hand, keeping your core tight and body straight. Reach under your body with the opposite hand to grab the dumbbell, pull it to the other side, and return to plank. Repeat on both sides. Avoid rotating your hips or sagging your lower back for maximum core, oblique, and shoulder stability and safety. Fourth exercise, straight arm dumbbell sit-ups. For an effective straight arm dumbbell sit-up, lie on your back with knees bent, holding a dumbbell with both hands above your chest, arms extended. Engage your core and sit up, keeping your arms straight and raising the dumbbell toward the ceiling. Then lower back down slowly. Avoid pulling with your neck or using momentum for maximum activation and safety. Fifth exercise, Dumbbell V-Up. For an effective Dumbbell V-Up, lie on your back with legs straight, holding a dumbbell with both hands above your chest, arms extended. Engage your core. Simultaneously lift your legs and upper body to form a V shape, reaching the dumbbell toward your feet, then lower slowly. Keep your back straight and avoid jerking for maximum core activation and safety.